Hi, let's begin with the first chord of this song, and you will have the G major composed of the G, the B, and the D, and the bass note of G. Then, the B minor composed of the B, the D, and the F sharp, and the bass note of B. And eventually, the A major composed of the A, the C sharp, and the E, and the bass note of A. So for the first playing method, which is also the simplest one, you're going to play the chords like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, bass and chord. On 2, you play nothing. On the 3, you play the chord alone. And on 4, you play nothing. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to play this chart 2 additional times to complete the introduction, so 4 times in total. But I will show you a second method which will get you a little closer to the beauty of the original piano, yet very simplified. So here's the chart, and this time before playing the G major chord, you will play the notes of A, B, and D. Also note that the A major chord will be played 3 times on the first 2 rounds, then 4 times on the 3rd round. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And at this moment, you will begin the verse. And you will be using the first chart, but this time you will play it twice.
Devant l'immense, je ferme les yeux. Un peu de patience, je rêve, je fais un vœu. Mais toi tu fais tourner la tête aux étoiles. Mes idées s'en mêlent, se démènent, s'éloignent. Abandonné.
So you played this chart 4 times, and in order to complete the first verse, you will need to play it 4 additional times, so 8 times in total, knowing that the second verse will be twice as short, so you will play this chart only 4 times. And just know that you could have used the second chart. Let me display it to you again, and let's continue.
Devant l'immense, je ferme les yeux. Un peu de patience, je rêve, je fais un vœu. Toi tu fais tourner la tête aux étoiles. Mes idées s'en mêlent, se démènent, s'éloignent. Abandonné.
So for the first verse, you can either play the first chart 8 times or you play this one twice in a row. And you reach the chorus that you're gonna play with this new chart and 2 additional chords. You'll have the D major composed of the A, the D, and the F sharp and the bass note of D. And eventually, the F sharp minor composed of the A, the C sharp, and the F sharp, and the bass note of F sharp. And for this section, you can either play exactly like you did before, or you try to add a second bass note on the 4th beat like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
Et si je compte les heures, si je n'ai plus peur, c'est qu'il n'est pas trop tard. Perdu dans ton regard.
And you play this chart 2 more times.
Et si je compte les jours, si j'attends mon tour, c'est que j'aime à y croire. Perdu dans ton regard.
And you will directly move on to the second verse, which, as I said earlier, will be shorter, so you can either play the first chart 4 times, or you can also play the second one but only once. Then you will reach the second chorus, which is going to be twice as long as the first one, so instead of playing the chorus chart 4 times, you will play it 8 times. You will then reach the piano solo part, followed by a bridge that you would play with this chord, played 10 times as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the original song, the piano will play this chart 4 times and then you will play it again 6 additional times with the drums and the choir. And after that, you will reach the last part that you will play with this new chart.
Les comètes, vieilles comme le monde. Et toi tu fais tourner la tête aux étoiles, aux étoiles.
And you finish with the B minor. I wish you good luck and I will see you in the next one.